Hey everybody, Quilt Marine here. So we're working on my display wall for my new room, for my new digs. All right, so look, I went to the not Walmart. Look, I'm so fascinated with Walmart. I went to Home Depot and I went and got this right here, this foam wall stuff, okay? And I needed to measure off the wall space that I needed, which is 96 by 96. And two of these 1-inch pieces, 1 inch, look right there, 1 inch thickness. So they have this in 1 inch, and I think it's a 2 inch or a 3 inch that they have. I think the 3 inch was like overkill, okay? Because I only needed display on. I'm not gonna be jumping on it or doing anything like that. So these two pieces put together measure off perfectly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seat them together, and I got some Gorilla Tape. You gotta be careful with the Gorilla Tape because Gorilla Tape will rip your skin off, all right? And I'm gonna wrap it with Gorilla Tape. I have a flannel sheet that I purchased, like a Super King size, and I'm gonna wrap it real tight, and I'm gonna go around the edge with staple it super tight, and then we're gonna throw this thing on the wall, and we're gonna be throwing our displays up. Okay, so when we come back, you'll see this thing taped and leaning on the no, you'll see it taped, and then I'll show you how I put my flannel on it. Okay, be right back. All right, guys. So we got it up in the room. It took a little work. All right, it's taped. All right, I got tape on both sides. So the sheet's going on next, okay? And then we'll have a nice little display wall without having tacks in the wall like in my other room or anything like that. It looks like it's approved by Mello. Oh my gosh. So looks like we're gonna be going on our way there. Okay. All right, so when you come back, you're gonna see the sheet on and maybe a done deal. Okay. All right, so look, we got it up. Look, so it's working. I like it. It's not completely done. I need to go side to side when it comes to, so I can get the wrinkles out, okay? But the thing that's good about it is I can also use pins in this, all right? Because of that foam wall, all right? So this thing is really nice. I like it. And it's sticky. I got the right sheet on. Yes, yes, this is what I'm talking about, all right? So the next step, what I'm gonna do is to really finish it off is I'm gonna staple one edge, pull it tight to the other edge, and then these wrinkles will be gone, okay? But I'm not worried about it. It's still working with the wrinkles on it, right? All right, that's a hint to what's coming up, but don't worry about it. We got to debut the new room, right? So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.